Hello, kids! In today's video, we are going to draw Bluey's mom in bingo. One day, there was a lovely big field with grass blowing gently in the breeze when along came an antelope. But the antelope was chased away by a cheetah. Then the cheetah got tired, and along came some tiny little, but then came an elephant. The elephant left time, and along came a spider. Go away, spider. No more. Creepy animals, thanks. Shh, oh, wait, it's a snake frog. Ribbit, ribbit, rib. The frog's gone. And along comes a cat. Oh no, bingo. This cat wants to have a nap. She uses her claws to make a nice, he had some sleep. All is well. Dinosaur! Yeah! If you also like Bluey, subscribe to the channel to watch the next video.